Hi, welcome to the Code for Fun. Today I am discussing one more important topics in data types. First, see the data type definition. Then we will see the example of real life example where we are using our data types. See first definition. Data type is basically referred to type and size of the data. It means if you initialize like that, if you initialize like that, val my name equal to 5. If you use initialized like that, it will tells the data type still tells you how much of memory location you are used in your actual memory. Actual memory means assume that this is your computer memory. Assume that it is a computer memory. Inside that, why you are stored one data what we are storing here. First data we are storing like a val equal to my name equal to 5 you are storing. It is a integer data type. The Kotlin is smart enough to understand if you understand which data types. If you are not specifying also data type like that, if you are not specifying also data type, the Kotlin is a smart enough, the compiler will understand that. The compiler will understand it is a integer data type. Assume that if you are storing 5 inside that, inside the computer memory, it will allocate the it will use some memory location inside the actual memory. If you are using int 5 equal to means int, if you are assigned my name equal to 5, it is an integer data type. It will allocate the 2 to the power of 32 bytes of the memory location. It will be consumed for if you are storing one number only 5. For that, if you are consuming this much of memory location, it will some wastage of memory location only. Because of that, we have to know which data types we have to use for smaller number and bigger number. Smaller number means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but bigger number means we have bigger numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6, long number, long integer number. For that data, for that which how much memory location we have to consume for that also. Because of that, we have to know the data types very well. In Kotlin, we can declare we can represent our data types in two different form. Means value my name equal to 5. If you declare like that, the Kotlin is smart enough. Previously, what I said like that, Kotlin is smart enough to understand that if you are simply like that, the Kotlin will it understand. Otherwise, we can declare like that also. Val my name colon int 5. These are the two different data type. We can declare the using the two different representation of the data. Whatever your convenient, whichever you want, you can use that. Let's see that. Let's see the example. If you declare like that, what will happen? If you declare like that, what will happen in our programming? We will see in next slide. Yeah, data types are divided into two different category, different groups in our Kotlin. First is the number and character, boolean and string. One by one I will explain in next video. Number means in numbers how many data types are there, characters in characters how many data types are there, boolean what is the boolean, and string and array. One by one each topic I will explain in here neat clearly. First see the if you declared it is a function, main function, it will start our programming. I declared previously what I said, we can declare our data types in two different forms. One form is val is equal to int means we are specifying the data type, and user is specifying the data type. After that, this is the age is a variable name, right? If you declare after that, if you declare the integer data type, we can redeclare, and we can initialization later part also. If you declare later part age equal to 18, it will give the output. If you run that program, if you will get the 18 output. If you declare this type, if you declare like that, function main val equal to yes, but we are not specifically declaring which data type it is. User is not declaring the data type. After that, we are declaring age equal to 18. It will give the error. Because of that, if our we can declare because of that, if the compiler will didn't understand which data type are you are using, because of that just you are simply we were simply declaring the variable, but you are not assigning the any value to that variable. That's why the compiler will throw the error. Thank you for, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.